So today, let's talk about concussion symptoms. Why? Because I had one. Well, when I first got a concussion, what I noticed was that everything was so bright. Even the street lights outside of Domino's were light. When my computer screen was so bright, I couldn't even look at my phone. Things were blurry. My vision would pulse. I would be looking at a book, it would turn blurry and clear, and then blurry and clear. And then sound sensitivity, motion sensitivity, everything felt really overwhelming. And I couldn't really describe what I was feeling to people around me because they just didn't experience it and wouldn't fully understand what I was going through. All right, stop right there. What does that have to do with vision? Well, I'm not done yet. Listen closely here. So what I notice is when I'm reading, I notice that I would start to lose my place more often. I would skip words, skip sentences, and that never happened to me before. I know firsthand how scary it can be. Fortunately, we have what we call vision therapy that can help train your eyes and your brain to work together again. That in turn will help alleviate some of those concussion symptoms. So if you're dealing with any of these things, come check us out.